Hi everybody, Tom Lloyd, CCTV, out here for news you can use with Brianna Benavenga from Community Services, and she's going to talk to us about an event that's a pretty big event that we've had here in the county, and it's coming back in November. Bree, talk to me about this event.
Tom, we're super excited to be holding the 5th annual Great Garage Sale right here, November 18th. So just behind us is going to be filled with cars. People bring household items, furniture, used children's toys, antiques, anything that you can think of. What do they say? One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Exactly.
Anything you can think of, they bring here to sell. So November 18th, we'll have the Great Garage Sale. It will be open to the public from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and admission is free for shoppers, so stop on by. And
so this is the first time in almost 3 years that we've had this event.
Yes, we had it in 2020 during COVID, as you know. We had a little bit of a less turnout than what we have had in the past. Normally, we've had 5,000, so we're expecting a pretty big turnout this year.
Okay, and if people want to register to either have a booth or be out here, where do they need to go and what do they need to do?
Sure, you can stop by at Centennial Park Recreation Center and register in person. That's at 1120 Centennial Boulevard in Port Charlotte. You can also call 941-235-5010 and register over the phone. A space is $25.
What has been the reaction in years past from this event? Talk to me about what are people going to be able to find out here too?
So last year, we had a lot of people who were upset that we couldn't do it because Hurricane Ian. Mm-hmm. This year, we've already gotten so many messages saying, we're so happy you're bringing this back. We can't wait. How do we sign up? And like I said, you can find antiques, household items, furniture, dining room tables, Christmas decorations, anything that you can think of, you can probably find it here at the Great Garage Sale. And
can people also go onto the Community Services website to find out a little bit more information about this?
Yes, we do have a flyer. We do have a flyer on charlottecountyfl.gov/rec programs.
Okay, perfect. Well, Brianna, thank you so much. And remember, if you want to be a part of this, you can come out here. You can register at charlottecountyfl.gov. Or if you want to partake, you can come on out here on November 18th. For CCTV News You Could Use, I'm Tom Lloyd.